Imagine a world where there are 0 crashes, no injuries, just safer journeys everywhere, wherever you go. Vision 0. I'm Hans. Nice to meet you. I work for the New Car Assessment Program, or NCAPs. We believe rigorous testing and the right adaptive technologies in your car might just save your life. There are NCAPs in every part of the world that test vehicle safety. Every country is different, yet every road user counts. Together, our aim is to keep you and your family safe. We work with car makers, suppliers, governments and many labs around the world to stay one step ahead of everyone else. 30 years ago, 500,000 of us might have died in road crashes globally. Since then, NCAP manufacturers and I have worked on car design to improve safety. From the 3-point seat belt, A-pillar design, to airbags, seatbelt reminders, emergency braking systems, even driving assistance technologies for when I'm sleepy. All can be found in many different car models today. Let me tell you, I have sat in thousands of cars. But it's not just about your car. It's your van, truck, bus, bike, scooter, however you choose to move. All to protect drivers, passengers, pedestrians and cyclists. Safer, sustainable and more secure. Together we are looking towards Vision 0. And there are changes ahead. Some say cars might just start to talk to each other and drive themselves. But that would be like seeing a dummy speak, right? I can promise you, however you travel and whatever journey you make, myself and the NCAPs will have got there first. I'm there instead of you. Why? Because what we do saves lives.